I used to label and identify myself as somebody who was addicted to drugs and alcohol. As long as I attached that label to my name, hi, my name's Mason, I'm a drug addict, alcoholic, I believed it. I lived by that. I introduced myself as that, and it became part of me. But I'm just Mason. Yeah, I have several years sober across all different substances. I don't smoke cigarettes, I don't smoke weed, I don't drink, I don't do dope, I don't do blow, I don't do any of this shit anymore. I had to make a decision. Was I going to just remove the substance and rip off that Band-Aid and still have an open wound? Anytime somebody would say something or I would do something wrong, I was just tossing salt in that motherfucker and it would sting. I would cover it right back up with the Band-Aid. I couldn't live like that anymore. So when I got tired of living that way, I removed everything. Everything that I identified with. Everything that I thought I liked. All of the people. All of the places. All of the hobbies. I stopped listening to fucking music. I cut out the food. I went on a 45-day fast. People think that's fucking crazy, but after 2 weeks I felt like a superhuman. I've never been able to think more clearly in my life. I felt amazing. I attracted amazing things. I opened up my heart. I opened up my mind. I had a spiritual awakening, essentially. I cut out the TV. I cut out everybody. Friends, family, everything that I had used to do, all the people I used to be around, day in and day out, I had to remove it from my life. Because again, just how that substance was my Band-Aid, everything else was too. Anything that would raise my emotions, I was addicted to. I had no self-control. I would listen to my favorite song 10 times in a fucking row because it gave me a feel-good. I would watch scary movies even though I don't like scary movies because it would make me feel something. I don't fucking like TV. I don't like any of the music that I used to listen to at all. A lot of the shit that I've gone through, I didn't realize I went through it until I started healing and revisiting the past every fucking day. Basically what I did was I cut out all stimulation. All outside noise. That way I could sit internally with my own thoughts. Because I realized your internal state dictates your external reality. Doesn't matter where you go, what you do, as long as you're still there you fucking are. So I had to remove everything. Remove the identities, remove the labels, remove every single thing from my life. I had to be able to sit in my thoughts for longer than an hour at a time. And in that time, I realized that I didn't know who I was. A lot of the people that knew me, or have known me my whole life, they didn't know me. Because I didn't know myself. I didn't know who I was. They didn't know who I was either. Whenever I changed, a lot of people got mad at me. They felt uncomfortable because of my growth. I challenged everybody's truth. I challenged my truth. The words that they would say to me, I could see right through that shit, and I challenged everything. And a lot of people don't grow because they have to face the truth. And the truth fucking hurts people. So they paint a pretty picture, and they live by it. Even if it sucks, they'll live by that truth that they tell themselves. But our memories of the past are up to 50% altered. And we do that to paint a picture for ourselves. And every time we repeat these memories or these traumas, these stressors, we change it, like the game of telephone. It gets altered throughout time. And I challenged all that shit too. Everybody else's shit that they poured onto me. I challenged it all. And it made people really fucking uncomfortable. And they didn't want to grow, so I cut them out. If you really want to change your life, you're gonna have to make some changes. You're gonna have to cut out a lot of shit. What got you to this point is not gonna take you to the next level. If I want to change and become somebody that I've never been, I'm gonna have to make sacrifices and do things that I've never done. And I started by removing everything all at once. If I'm gonna change my life, I have to be the man that I needed when I was young. I have to be that role model. I've been making content for a year, and in this year journey, not only have I changed my life, but I've started to inspire others around me. I've started to leave my footprint for others to follow. I started teaching people how to change their life. And no, I haven't done the work for them. I give a little bit of advice and structure and routine that they can implement to their daily life. That way they can take action and become the person that they're meant to be. We can be anything we want in this world. A lot of people stay small and they limit themselves and they put a cap on all their abilities. And they think they're not capable of change or growth. You are. The environment that you grew up in, the shit that you've done, does not dictate who you become. It doesn't even dictate who you are. It will if you let it. If you think you can do something, you're right. And if you think you can't, you're right about that as well. The choice is yours. In this world, we're competing. And at the end of the day, it's you versus you. And who are you gonna let win?